Hi. Okay, so first thing you need to understand is I very rarely know what I'm doing, so I shall try and explain a little bit about how to troubleshoot your OBS. So first things first, if you right click on your bar and open up your task manager, this will open up what process is currently running on your computer. As you can see, OBS is taking up a large portion of my memory. But if you click on memory, it'll show you other things which are taking up a lot of your memory. Now, I'm not supposed to have that running. I'm not supposed to have that running. So I've just closed those. So it's already dropped my memory down. So that will be the column which takes most of your memory and might cause you to skip frames. So once you've checked that, click off that, go into your settings. Then if you go, no, not stream. Right, so these are locked at the moment because I'm currently recording. But there's one, I think it's on output. Yeah, you need to go into advanced, have a look, because I was really hoping that there was but it didn't really show me. So here we go. So you encode a preset. The higher it is, the better your quality. But if your system can't handle the higher quality, then you want to put it on, say, P2 or P3. As you can see, mine's on P5 because I'm using a gaming laptop as my streaming rig. But if you have a look at that as well, and I think there is also a way to do a hardware test. If we click that off. Yep, there you go. Under Tools, if you go to Auto Configuration and run that, that will also auto configure your OBS to whatever service you wish to stream to, and that hopefully should fix any issues you have. So, hope this helps.